our book is Top Line Grip on Mathematics of Class 5. And today the page we have started is page number 8 and question number 4. We have done with question number 1, 2, 3. So today we can start over question number 4. And question number 4 is write the following as decimals. The chapter number is 2. Okay. Page number is 8. Question number is 4. Write the following as decimals. Number 1 is 6 by 10. Okay. I have to tell you something, that decimals mean that you have to write a value in points. For example, there is 2563. This is a simple value written. Okay, but if we can write this a 2525.63, we can place it in decimal. This is the value how we can place. Decimals mean that you have to put a point in a value. So let's start that how we can put a point in a value. There are two ways to solve this question. I can tell you both. The way you have likely most, you can apply this. First is, as you can see that this sign means that 6 is divided with 10. That 6 divides with 10. So we can place 6 in a bracket and 10 here. 6 doesn't come in a table of 10, so we can place 0 point and lies here a 0. I can tell you that something, that if we have to place here a 0, we have to place here a point. Now 10 6 are 60. This is the first method to solve this question. Now move towards a second method. 6 and 10. If there is 1 0, so we can 6 by 10. The 1 0 goes up. We can write a 0 point and 6. Now move towards next question, which is 27 divided by 1000. One method is that you have to divide 7 with 1000. How you can divide it? I can tell you. Okay. 7 doesn't come in 1000. 0.0. We can place only 1 0. If we can place one more 0 in answer, so we can place here a 2 zeros. Okay. 1000 sevens are 7000. So 2 plus 0.007. If we can add, then answer is 2.007. Now question number 3, which is 8 divided by 1000. One method is that you have to divide them, and the second method is that we can place, here are 3 zeros. We can place a point, 1 0 before point, 2 zeros after point, 3 zeros lie here, and 8. I hope you can understand it. The 4 is 2 by 100. It is important that you have to place a 1 0 before point. Okay. There are 2 zeros. 1 0 lie before point and 1 0 lies after point, and we can place a 2. 5. 10 into 4 by 10. There is, if we can see them, this is 4 by 10. There is only 1 0, so 1 0 lies before point and then 4. We can add 10 with 0.4, so the answer is 10.4. Next is 6, which is 53 into 8 by 100. We can see them that this is 8 by 100. 1 0 lies before point, 1 after, and 2 zeros here. and then we can add 53 with 0.08, so the answer is 53.08. I hope you can understand this question, that how to solve it. If you don't, you have find difficult that this is not an easy way to solve question, because this is the most easy way to solve this question. This is something difficult. If you find that this is no, we can't solve it, then you can tell me. I can teach you all the questions in this method. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself and please practice these questions.